am Diz. I get drunk and do things. This is Dom. She judges me harshly. Anyways, so today, this is the last episode that I'm recording tonight of the speed rounding. We'll record more speed rounding episodes when we get all these edited. Okay, the point is, this is what we're doing. Okay, this is another idea that I didn't have until tonight, so it's a drunk thinking idea. And those may or may not be good ideas. As you saw in the last episode, sometimes they are really bad ideas. That turned out really poorly. If you haven't seen that episode, go watch that one after this one, because that wreath was awesome. Okay. We'll get rid of the toilet paper evidence on that one. So, here we go. Today, right now, we've been doing them all today. Doesn't matter. This is what we're doing. I made a gnome last time. Oh no, we don't have a thingy to like make this a thing. I didn't think this all the way through, like at all. I need like a support system. Shit. We'll use the beer box from the beer that we've been drinking. Whatever. Here we go. Am I even gonna tell you? Nah, let's just do it. Because I probably will write it in the title or description or something. So, if you don't know what we're doing by now, neither do I. Join the club. Let's go. Let's get 11 minutes on the clock. It's midnight 30 and I gotta work tomorrow. Go! Woohoo! Here we go. Yeah. Nailing it. Oh, you know what? We need to think ahead. Put this in there. Boop. Shoop. Shoo-ba-doop. Boo-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doop. Boo-ba-doop. Give me some glue. Glue-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. Don't burn me. Okay, please. Doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba. Don't burn me. Okay, please. No. Are we burnt? We aren't burnt. We're fine. Alright. And some more glue here, and some more glue there, and some glue everywhere. Ow! Not glue there, not glue there, not glue everywhere. Not on your fingers, it hurts. That sucked. You suck and are rude to yourself. Self-care. That's not what this is about. Working it? Yeah. Wait, what was the plan? I don't know. You were drunk when you came up with this idea. How are you planning on doing this? I have no idea. So we have fleece. Cotton balls. I brought cotton balls in here because I thought they were a good idea. So let's grab some of them. I don't know what we're doing. Tom doesn't know what I'm doing either because I didn't even tell her what the plan was. I didn't even tell you guys what the plan was. I just started gluing step to step and started the timer. We need more glue in here though. That I do know. Hey, I know something. That's hot. I know two things. You know what else I know, guys? Cotton balls are really hard to super glue when you're trying to build up a cotton ball. Because it just sticks to the glue gun, not just the glue. Like the glue gun is now officially full of cotton. If you're better at doing this, your projects would turn out better. What would be the fun in that? Whatever. So, I have this stuff that we should just glue on here because we don't got time to think about shit, okay? Thinking is for the schminking, and we don't schmink around here. We just drink. Hey! I don't know why I got so excited about that. It didn't make any sense. Good luck with all this nonsense, Editor Days. You're welcome. Time is it? 5 minutes! I only have 5 minutes! Shit, guys. This is gonna... Ouch! Looks stupid. Ouch! Stop burning me, okay? Please and thank you. Whatever. I don't want to take the time to cut this off here because I feel like just gluing it would be faster. This went from being very delicate to not. Really quickly. No one ever said that you're a thinker when you're drinking. You only have 4 minutes. Will you please get to going? We don't have time to measure because we gotta... Oh God, what did you do? What did you do? What did you do? Don't do that. That's not working. Oh my God. Rip it off. Rip it off. Like a band-aid. Just get it off there. Glue. Just glue. Just glue. Because that worked out so well for you a minute ago when you had to rip it off there. There's a lot of excess here that we just need to get out of our way. Cool. Dude, don't judge me. I'm done judging myself. This is classy and a half. This probably would work better if you held it in a different spot. Looks stupid. Shocker. Okay, I have an idea. How much time do we have? Not enough time to do that. Okay. So, I don't know how to fix it. I don't know what to do with my hands. You know what? When you're looking at the clock, you only have a minute. You really don't have enough time to fix it. Having the time limit was like the best idea, but the worst idea ever. Because what just happened? We're just gonna stop the clock. A minute won't fix this. It just ain't gonna happen. So, anyways, the plan was to make a gnome to hang on the Christmas tree, a dinosaur Christmas tree that we made, and this is not what I had in mind because it looks like a ghost gnome. Ooh, ooh. You know what? We tried. Okay, we tried, we failed, we went home happy. We're gonna go sleep very happily, and that's gonna be wonderful. Doesn't matter, the point is this was a mistake. This was a fail. Hey, Dom. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Yeah, that was rude. You know what's also rude? Ignoring me when I'm talking to you. Dude, I made a gnome thing for Christmas to hang on the tree. And you don't care. You just don't care. Okay, well, I would ask Locke what she thinks, but Locke is asleep in the bedroom. Hopefully, she's asleep. She could be chewing up something. She could be chewing up anything. There's a lot in there to chew up that I don't want her to chew up. I probably shouldn't be hanging out in here and leaving her in there. I'll buy her lonesome. You know what? Hindsight's 2020. We'll add it to the graveyard and tell you guys all about it when we decide to film that, because that graveyard's getting pretty big, if I do say so myself. Yeah, well, we finished the project. Okay, well, I guess it's that time to say the words that I say at the end. And those words are, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you like me, hit subscribe. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. If you really just like my dogs, you can follow both of them on Instagram at This Is Having a Bad Day, where I post pictures of them, and occasionally I will post a video of them playing together or doing something. But I'm not very good at catching them doing naughty things, because when they're doing those naughty things, I just go and put on my mom face and say, "Don't ever do that again." Isn't that right? WTF. Yeah, thank you for watching. Stick around for the outtakes. I don't promise outtakes in the speed round episodes, but if there are outtakes, you might enjoy them. So you should stick around for a little while longer. And there's candy in my boot. Like, legitimately, I just pulled this piece of candy. In the speed rounding episodes of tonight, obviously, because I'm wearing the same shirt and hairstyle, I made a gingerbread house, and this is a piece of the candy that somehow ended up in my boot. Oh, God. Cool. Cool. I wonder how many more pieces are in there. Well, that's a piece of hot glue. Wow. What's all in my boot? There's a snake in my boot. No, there's candy and a piece of hot glue. I am so excited to get to go to sleep. Yeah. We finally got accomplished all the episodes we needed to record this weekend, even though we were like super hungover today. We might be super hungover tomorrow. Sorry, everybody I have to work with when I finally get around to posting this episode, you'll know why. Hey, Tom. Ready to go to the big bed? Are you ready to go to the big bed? Tom. Tom! Okay, love you. Bye. Do a diddy diddy dum diddy do. Singing do a diddy diddy dum diddy do. The clapper.